Ever wonder why some teams excel while others struggle? The secret often lies in efficient lead transfers. By transferring leads, you boost team efficiency and enhance platform visibility. Let's explore how this simple action can transform your workflow. First, access the BoldTrail dashboard. Navigate to your contacts section, where all your contacts are listed. This is your starting point for transferring ownership. Select the lead you wish to transfer. Ensure it's the right contact, as this action will remove it from your view permanently. Precision here is key. Avoid losing track of leads by understanding transfer implications. Always check permissions before initiating a transfer. This ensures you have the authority to make changes. Double-check recipient details to prevent errors. A simple mistake can lead to confusion and lost opportunities. Accuracy is crucial for smooth operations. By mastering lead transfers, you'll streamline your workflow and empower your team. Ensuring leads are in the right hands boosts productivity and collaboration. Take action today to improve your real estate operations. Start transferring leads efficiently and watch your team's potential soar. Let's make every lead count. Please review the step-by-step guide below to learn how to transfer a contact to another agent within your brokerage.